Okay guys, a quick one. Here, you will learn how to enable dark mode on YouTube PC. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable dark mode on YouTube PC, all you need to do is go ahead and open your browser and then go to youtube.com. Once you visited youtube.com, make sure you sign into your YouTube account using your email and password. And if you already signed into your Google account, then you should have the YouTube page like this. That shows you've already signed in. Now, the next one to do to enable dark mode is go ahead and click on the profile picture. Once you click on the profile picture, and then you should see the menu pops. On the menu, locate and click on appearance. Now, by default, you see your YouTube account using your device theme. Now, to enable dark mode on your YouTube account, just come here and set this to dark theme. Once you selected dark theme, hang on, then you should see the YouTube page refreshed. Once the YouTube page refreshed, then it's going to enable dark mode as it is. You see that? Now you can now use your YouTube in dark mode to help you reduce eye strain and then the brightness of the YouTube page. You see that? So that is exactly how to enable dark mode on YouTube.